just get that flat against the board. I'm going to switch to the small Ron Ranson height brush now. And make a few marks with this. So sort of down there somewhat. Just darken this section. A bit more water. A little bit darker on this side. Just a few little water lines here and there. So I'll just pause it then for a sec while I just use the air dryer and just have a think. Just need to ground these. They're sort of floating in the air. Thanks for watching. You can watch the full video demo of this one at patreon.com/Stephen Cronin.